Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to my channel. Welcoming the year 2021 with the unboxing of the self-heating hotbox from Umami Kitchens. What a way to start our first meal on the first day of the year. This is not a paid advertisement, okay? Let's see. There's the pull string on both sides of the box. Let's open the box. Let's see. Okay, so here's the tray of the pre-roasted Angus beef. Beneath it are the two hotbox cases with insulation. Okay, let's return the tray and cover. And let's start to pull the strings at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There it goes. Steam comes out already. Yeah, meron konti. Yan, after 5 minutes. Now this Angus beef comes with the Umami Kitchen signature gravy sauce. We're gonna pour it later. Okay, let's open this. Make sure to have a pot holder to lift the lid. Then we're going to, there you see, steaming hot. Ooh. Carefully lift off the foil to unravel the Angus beef. Now it's time to pour the gravy while the hot box is still heating up underneath. Let's cover it again and let it heat up for 15 minutes more. Then after 15 minutes, the Umami roast beef is ready. Thanks for watching!